How to buy crypto safely in 2025. Firstly, you need to choose a safe, regulated exchange. Choose a platform that you know and you trust. If you don't know what platform to use, then you can simply type in platform to buy crypto on your web browser and you will find different kind of platforms. Pick one and start researching about it. You can pick any of these, it doesn't matter, but make sure that you do enough research before entering and buying. Right now, I'm just gonna select Binance. Once you have selected and researched and you trust, then create your account carefully. When signing up, use your real identity for KYC. Create a strong password and never use the same password you use on social media. Your account can get hacked and all your cryptos can be lost. Make sure to also turn on two-factor authentication. To deposit your money safely, you can use bank transfer, debit card, or local payment method. You need to avoid random Telegram sellers and WhatsApp traders. Buy something that is stable and major coins first. If you are a beginner, then you can start with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stable coins. If you plan to hold long term, then use a hardware wallet or a safe software wallet. With a wallet, you can control the private keys, meaning even if an exchange gets hacked, your crypto is safe. That's all for today. Thank you.